Hi, today we're starting with subtraction. So let's try number 1. We have 599 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus, so we have 9 and then we have 5. So we have 591. Number 2, 600 minus 11. Sorry. So because we have a 0 over here and over here too, we're going to have to borrow 100s from the 6. So our 6 is going to be a 5. And then now we have a 10 over here. But then we also need to borrow 1/10 from the second digit. So that our second digit is going to be a 9. And then now we add 1 to our first digit, which is going to be 10 minus 1 now. So that's 9, 8, and then 5. So 589. Now let's do number 4. 922 minus 4. We're going to have to borrow 1/10 from our second digit. That is going to be a 1, sorry. And then now we have 12 over here. 12 minus 4 is 8, 9, 1, and then 9. So 918. Now let's try number 6. 148 minus 9. We're going to borrow 1/10 from the 4. That's going to be a 3. And now we add 1. So now we add 10 to the 8, which is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 3, 1. So the answer is 139. Let's try one more. We're going to do number 15. 780 minus 4. We're going to borrow 1/10 from the 8. That's going to turn into a 7 because we're subtracting 1. And then now we add 10. So 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. The 7 drops, and the 7 drops. So our answer is 776. Let's move on to the next page. Round the numbers to the nearest 10. So if our first digit is between 0 to 4, we're rounding it down. If it's between 5 to 9, we're rounding it up, okay? So for example, let's try number 1. We have 9, right? 9 is over here. And 9 is between 0 to 10, right? And because we're rounding it up, it's going to be a 10. So our answer is 10. Sorry. Now let's try number 2. We have 32. 32 is between 30 to 40. Our first digit is a 2 over here, so we're rounding it down. If we're rounding it down, then it's going to be 30, right? So the answer is 30. Now let's try number 3. We have 58. 58 is between 50 to 60. Now 8 is over here, and we're rounding it up, which is going to be 60. So our answer is 60. Now let's try number 4. We have 390. 390 is between 390 and 400. Our first digit is 0, so it's just going to stay as 300. So our answer is 390. Sorry. Yeah, 390. Let's try one more. Number 10, we have 246. 246 is between 240 and 250. Now, Our first digit is 6. 6 is over here. So we're rounding it up, which is going to be 250. So the answer is 250. Let's go to the next page. Parts of a whole. So total equal parts. We have to count the total equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 total equal parts. And then now shaded parts. We have only 1 shaded parts, right? So 1. And then fraction, that is going to be 1 over 4. So 1/4, okay? Now, let's try number 2. We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 total equal parts. And then shaded parts, we have only 1 shaded part. So 1. And now we take these numbers and we put it into a fraction. 1 over 3, so 1/3. Okay? Now let's try one more. Let's try number 5, sorry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total equal parts. And then we have 3 shaded parts. Fraction is going to be 3 over 8. Okay? Let's do word problems. Ariel baked 16 cookies and eats 7 of them. Ariel now has 9 cookies left. How many cookies did Ariel eat? She has 16, and then now she has 9. So we're going to do 16 minus 9 to find out how many cookies she ate. 16 minus 9, that's going to be 7. So she ate 7 cookies. Okay, thank you.